Hi, my people. Jubilation all over the internet as this two-faced new wife, this new babe, Natasha Osawaru, has been removed as honorable member in Edo State. Natasha Osawaru, two-faced new partner, has lost her position as minority leader at the Edo State House of Assembly. Fans of Annie Idibia, two-faced ex-wife, are jubilating over this news, with some humorously attributing it to karma or the god of vengeance. Others believe Natasha can now focus more on her relationship with Two-Face. So Natasha's removal comes as follows. Her removal was announced on April 7th, yesterday, 2025, alongside other key figures in the Edo State House of Assembly. The changes were reportedly made due to a letter from the state's acting APC chairman, known as Charity Tenebe, after PDP lost its majority status. People are reacting in so many ways. Social media reactions have been varied, with some users rejoicing over Natasha's removal and others criticizing her priorities. Some comments even said, God of vengeance, and she can now focus more on Two-Face. Karma is real. Two-Face relationship with Natasha. Two-Face confirmed this particular relationship with Natasha on his Instagram, stating his intention to marry her. He also denied allegations that she was involved in his separation from Annie Idibia. And recently, we equally spotted Annie Idibia, who was busy seen going back to his movie role. Although ever since she returned back to social media spaces, our own queen, known as Regina Daniel, has been thriving with her, and now we equally met Annie Idibia in with Nigerian Nollywood people, actors and actresses, which indicates and shows that she is finally back to Nollywood. My people, now she have embraced her career with all her self, everything in her. She have put herself first before any other thing. My correct. Now the question is, why did Two-Face love this girl? What exactly does he want from this Natasha Osawaru of a girl? Now that she has lost her political position in Kogi State as the minority leader in Edo State, I think that he will still love her, or is there anything? Remember that yesterday we saw a video of Natasha Osawaru and Two-Face Idibia's children with Annie Idibia together on this cruising boat, my correct people them, which has sparked reactions on the social media spaces. Please kindly watch other people's reaction towards this. And feel free to drop your opinion in the comment section. If you finish watching, you know you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do well to subscribe. Subscription and free, so make it a watcher update. Watch the rest of the video, guys. Don't skip any part. Sorry, my voice is too down.
Make una call una brother in order before you go from Odogu to be Odiogu. You see what Honorable Natasha they do Two-Face. From Two-Face to one face. Before you know it, don't become Odiogu. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. You can see what is going on in Two-Face life now to tell you what Annie has been doing for this Two-Face. Annie has been a shield for this Two-Face. Annie has been trying to make this man important. Annie has taken this guy up. Look at the height Annie took this guy to. And see what Honorable Natasha is doing. He just want to, destroy everything. Now, Two-Face is common. You can see Two-Face anyhow you want. Two-Face goes to club. In fact, Two-Face, as I'm talking now, Two-Face is currently in Benin, staying with Honorable Natasha. Abandoned his mansion and moved to Benin to stay with the love of his life. Natasha added Idibia on her Instagram handle. Does it mean that these people have done secret wedding, maybe court wedding, secret court wedding, or she just wants to, because it's so fast. Somebody has not married you. Why are you changing your name so fast? You just change your name. Can you see how desperate some women can be? You just, snatch somebody's husband. Not quite long. You just change your name, your Instagram to Idibia. And of which, there is no marriage, no official. Maybe, allegedly, Natasha has took Two-Face to court and he wedded her. What a desperado. Look at, from Odogu to Odon, they come to Odegu. They carry him before you see Two-Face before. Haba. Before you see Two Baba before, you know how much you drop before you see Two Baba. But now Two Baba is everywhere. Don't be surprised if you give Two Baba 1 million now, he'll come sing for you, or less than 1 million, he'll come sing for you. Because the way this lady is taking this guy, my God, if care is not taking it, what I don't understand here. Come on. Maybe this lady is using, or this man is using this lady for political ambition. Yes, because I don't understand why Two-Face, somebody that called Two-Face Idibia, was too so low like that. Now people have been complaining about this. Even Bobrisky says something, because my people say ichori riawo gi riawo baraba akponu go riawo gi mani riawo. You see, if you want to dump somebody, you dump somebody and go to somebody that is more beautiful than that person. But I'm not judge. I said beauty in the eyes of the beholder. But let me read what our Bobrisky, our Bobby mommy in Lagos that ran away from Nigeria. Let me read what she said. Bobrisky said, I don't understand Two-Face. If you are going to leave your wife, you should leave her for someone prettier, sexier, cuter. Not Mary Amaka now. So, oh my God, please, so in the other way around, he's calling our honorable Natasha Mary Amaka. To be honest with you, I've seen where this Bobrisky makes sense. Because if you want to leave somebody that is this man and your Odoche. I don't really know what came over them. Now your Odoche from Odogu to don't they, enter Odiego little by little. Now Two-Face now, or don't enter the Odiego, I don't know. Now Two-Face now don't they want to follow the footstep again, want to enter Odiego. You see, before, chuka pass, all this thing, this thing, I don't think this is normal, because how can somebody leave his mansion, leave his pretty wife, somebody that you have stayed for 20 years with, you have spent 20 years of your life with, you abandon that person and just move to somebody that is far better, prettier, sexier, more than Najaz. Check. I look our beautiful and look at when they believe little by little waiting Two-Face mama talk. Because Two-Face mama talk say that bead where Two-Face wear for her, say may they remove am. Say Honorable Natasha charming son. May Honorable Natasha leave her son alone. If you watch what is going on right now, you will see that it's not normal anymore. How can a legend is coming down without knowing, little by little? Now in club now you can see Two-Face anyhow. And I saw when QTG that posted the hand of this lady where they did chuk. If they take something, does it mean she takes something? Now question I asked, I didn't say she takes something. I said, does it mean, please, I asked a question because I saw those pictures from Kichi Juice. So I want to know. It's just a question. If you know, just drop it in comment section. I just want to know. Now, coming to their wedding, when you watch the other video, when they went to buy clothes, that she said she wants to use it to go for the house or ever. She said, that person asked her, when is your marriage coming up? Two-Face answered, September, October. So for Honorable Natasha, changing her name to Idibia, meaning maybe they have done secret court wedding. But according to the news, they said they have not done anything. They are planning to do the court marriage. They have not done it. Now, my question, Honorable, first, I have not done any court marriage with you. No, married you rightly, whether civil, whether everything, have married you. Why did you change your name? Why so fast? Are you so desperate that you want to take another person's home? Now, look at Two-Face, the way he is just going down. He's not even handsome the way. He's not even cute the way he was before. Annie was, covering. Annie was making this man to be somebody that people will look up to. Annie took him to a level. Now, another woman want to bring him down. Because he entered, he said, I can be able to do it more than Annie. You are not even doing it more than the person will get him. our honorable, I beg you, if you know say you know fit take care of this man, I beg, leave him for his wife. Because we watch the video when he deal with Annie and now he's with you, the difference is totally clear. I don't know why people enjoying breaking homes. In as much as Two-Face said that he did whatever he did by himself, but Oga, no be your eyes. Me looking at you day now and you day before, no be your eyes you use do this thing, no be your eyes you use enter this thing. If we should tell ourselves the truth, if you notice Two-Face before, you go know say no be clear eyes take enter this. If no your clear eye where carry enter this, man, your life supposed to be better than that time. But you see, your life was better, far, far better than now. You are all over everywhere. Before, like I said before you see Two-Face now, you know how much you drop. No, even you know how millions of dollars you drop before you see Two-Face. Me, no be say if somebody can't give you 5k or 1 million now, you can't go see for that person, or maybe you can't sit for that person for free. Because the way this honorable they take you now, the way this woman they drag you, unless one of you are into this relationship for political ambition, yes, it's either you or the love of your life. Honorable Natasha is into this because of political ambition, and we are watching. We will see how this thing will play, because this is not that normal. Look at how Annie picked you, carried you, punished you. A good woman is a good woman no matter what. But the only thing, after everything, they get hot. This woman carried you. Let me just say it, this woman made you who you are. Yes, Annie made you who you are, Two-Face. If not that lady in your life, to be honest with you, I don't think you'll get to this height. And look at that height she took you. That's what another woman wants to destroy. Look at that height that woman took you. She suffered to take you there. That is the same height you want to destroy in a minute. Desperados. There's a lot of men. There is a lot of single men out there. Mona leave married men alone. More especially on our way there for Nigeria. Mona leave married man alone. If you said you don't want single, you want to date a married man, don't drag the married man out of his matrimonial home. Leave the married man alone to enjoy his wife. Leave the woman alone to enjoy her husband. Now you gara woman, you Auntie Honorable, you know see no fit take care of this man. You go carry him out of his wife. Come, they mess the man, they mess the guy up. Now come talk say this in love. This one no be love, oh. This one na really fuck up, really mess up. I'm gonna treat her more. I'm gonna go call her brother treat this fuck up. If not, from Odogu to Odiogu, and from from Two-Face to one face, no more again to zero face. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please leave your thoughts if you have anything to say about this.